Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So, you ever just be in the mood to do something, you have the urge to just do it right then and there? Well, I have been wanting to cut my hair for a long time. I've cut my hair 3 years ago, but for some odd reason it just seemed like I always cut my hair every 3 years. I big chopped in 2014, I big chopped in 2017, now it's 2020. I don't know how short this is going to get, but it's going to be cut. Just with this year, with COVID, and I'm not trying to blame anybody, putting it on myself, I'm blaming myself. But it just seemed like with COVID, with the stress of the world and just things, I just kind of neglected my hair. You can name, I did not put it into my hair. It looked good. To other people it looked good, but I just knew that it wasn't looking good and it wasn't holding up to its end of the bargain, if you must say. I did some snipping recently to the point where I had cut so much off that this side of my hair is just on its own lane. This side of my hair is full, like, come look at that, flourishing. But this side of my hair is like, y'all might be looking like, what is she talking about? It is bad. So I just gotta snip it off and start over. With that being said, I love my hair straight. My favorite protective style is a quick weave. So instead of doing those protective styles, sorry you guys, my battery is going low. All right. I gotta charge my phone, and the way my phone is sitting, it might be lopsided, but look, y'all gonna get this video. You're probably looking like, oh my god, your hair is so long, and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I heard it all. I want to cut it. There's a lot of discrepancies within this crown, and it's okay. Don't get me wrong, braid outs, twist outs, rod sets, all that stuff is really pretty, it's really beautiful, but when you really know what's best for you and what you really know what makes you feel like that woman, that makes you feel delicious, that's what you're going to do to your hair. And I'm not going to lie, I just love my hair straight, pressed out and all that stuff. That just makes me feel like that. But anyway, don't get me wrong, I do like a braid out or a twist out here and there, but with my hair short, that's not going to happen. What is going to happen is quick weave. So with that being said, let's get into cutting this hair, because if I keep talking, if I keep telling y'all, explaining to y'all why I'm doing this, I'm not going to do it, and it got to go. Like, this side isn't like this side. See? Like, it's crazy. So I can't see it right now, but I'm sure y'all can see it. I might not have to cut off that much, but even if I do, it's just hair, it'll grow back. Let's get on with the snipping. So I got my hair pinned up in the front, and this is what I feel like I'm probably going to have to do in the back. Like, look at this, you guys. Yeah, it's really bad, but what could we do? It's going to be a lot of hair. So I don't know how much I'm going to record, because I really just want to make this an intimate moment. I'm about to play some music, but I do just want to let you guys just see like where I'm going to really be at. And last time I cut my hair, I cried, so I'm gonna try not to cry. It grew so long. But new journey, new chapter. I just feel like good things is about to happen. It's okay. So let's go, you guys. guys, so I'm done cutting my hair. As you can see how thick my hair really is from it being cut, and all that damaged hair is off. So I don't want to get scissor happy. Let me tell you something about my hair. This side of my hair is more, what's the word, finer than this side. This side is more thicker. So, and it's weird because this side gets more coily, while this side can be more, it'll lay down better. So weird. I know my hair. So it looks like my hair is shorter. This side always looks shorter, and that's why I always have issues with my hair, because I'll be cutting, then I'll cut, then I'll cut, then I'll cut, and I was like, you know what, nope. But if you can see right here, I'm looking in the camera, sorry. If you can see right here, this is like more lumpy, so I feel like if it goes down a little bit, it'll edge, because when I first cut it, I was like, okay, that matches this. Because I even went over on this side first before I went over on this side, because this side was longer. But I'm just going to leave it the way it is right now. And then maybe in 2 months, I'll see how long my hair gets. And I'll straighten it. I'll see if this side is really shorter. Like, I'll give it a good bump, like a good wash, a good bump. And if I need to snip again, I'll snip. But this is my hair, you guys. You see, I did cry in the beginning. I always forget how thick my hair is. Like, my hair is thick. And that was another reason why I wanted to cut it, because I noticed, I was like, why isn't my hair, I got so much hair on me. I was like, why isn't my hair thick? Why isn't my braid outs looking this way? Why? And I was like, something is wrong. And then as I just was looking at different pieces, I'm like, we're damaged, sis. We're damaged. It's just hair. Shoot, this is the longest I've ever big chopped, so I'm happy with this. So you guys, my next video hopefully should be a quick weave, because your girl gonna be looking the bomb. But I'm not really mad at my hair. I'm just gonna end this video with this, and I hope you guys like my hair. I know I went from below bra strap length to, I'm gonna call this shoulder length, because your girl is short. It's cool though. But look how thick my hair is, and look how much it feels so healthy. We got this, y'all. We got this. So let's enjoy this journey. Let's go from here and see how long my hair gets. Let's see if I could get my hair back to where it was by the end of 2021. Hopefully we could get back, because I was like, I have on a sports bra, but I was like right here. Now look where I'm at. I was right there. So let's see. Goal. All right, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.